Hi guys, this is a big man, and today we're gonna talk about one solution to my Bluetooth device problems at Mac. And for the moment, I have three Bluetooth devices connected to my Mac, and this Sony headphones. And I made this problem quite some time ago. Also appeared in my old Mac. One over here is from 2009. It's really old Mac and it had exactly the same problem. The problem is that the devices got time to time it gets disconnected from the Mac all at the same time, and the only way I can get these devices reconnected is to restart the system again, to restart the Mac. I tried every solution I can find on internet, but it didn't work, including reset the Bluetooth module. And last week I found a solution over here in the Chinese website, a forum, and I did it, and it works perfectly. So if you are meet the same problem, probably you should try this too. You can download this hardware I/O tools for Xcode 7.3 at this link. I will leave this link in the description below, and I'll download it. Yeah, just download the latest version. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so what you're gonna need right now is this app, Bluetooth Explorer. Yeah, now you are, you see this is already on. This app is open, but there's no interface. Yeah, that's how it should be. And go to Tools and menu bar. What you're gonna need is the RSSI swipper. Now you have this interface. So what you're gonna do is click Start to have a scan, and after that, force to restore. Okay, let's do it. Start, and the app's gonna scan all the channels for Bluetooth and reconnect your device. At this moment, all your devices are disconnected automatically, and now is somehow finished, I think. Then what you're gonna do is to click the force restore. And well, I'm not sure if it's still reading something, but I did it some time ago and everything works. I will just stop it for now, and I'm gonna restart the Mac. And at this moment, all your devices should be reconnected to your Mac with no further problem. I read the post. How this actually works is the Bluetooth signal has interference with the 2.4G Wi-Fi signal, and sometimes they having interference over certain channels. So you need to reset your Bluetooth module and to scan all the channels you can find in the environment, and the problem got solved. Well, yeah, now everything works just fine, and I hope this solution will help you to keep your Bluetooth devices connected to your Mac. And if you have any question, please leave a comment below. Thank you.